right, guys, so it's time for a new apartment tour. This is going to be an empty apartment tour. First off, if you didn't see my last apartment tour, you should go watch that because this next unit shows my growth. So I've expanded now, which you're about to see. Yeah, it's a 2 bedroom plus loft and a 2.5 bathroom. Oh, and I forgot to mention that this is Essie from the future talking, so I am already living in this unit and all my furniture is in. So in future, I will show one where you can see all my furniture. So let's take a look. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick empty apartment tour. If you have any questions about living in LA, rent in LA, utilities in LA, whichever, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Or if you just want to give this video a thumbs up to support me, I appreciate it. Subscribe. I release videos about my life here in LA as well as being an entrepreneur of my business, Sam Jewelry, amongst other things. So I will continue to post about that. If you don't know me, my name is Essie Magic and my slogan is always keep being magic. So I will let you go with that slogan, keep being magic. Bye.